Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Hope you are doing well. This video is about ISO 14001 under the platform of Saqib Nadeem Institute of Occupational Health and Safety. Today we are going to discuss some general information about ISO 14001 certification, what is its importance, how one can do that, and how can you attempt this course. First of all, what is ISO 14001? ISO 14001 is a set of standards put forward by the International Organization for Standardization, and its purpose is to clarify the best practices for organizations that wish to reduce their environmental footprint by adopting an effective environmental management system. Now I am going to provide you some basic information about ISO 14001. It is an international standard published by ISO, and it is developed by leading environmental experts. It is applicable to any industry or any company, and it is applicable to any size of company or any size of industry. There are more than 3 lakh certification to ISO 14001 in 171 countries around the world. Now the question is why you choose ISO 14001 over other certificates. It is because by implementing ISO 14001 2015, it helps your company or organization to improve its environmental performance, gaining a competitive advantage and the trust of stakeholders. It is a framework to protect the environment, and it is also helpful for your company or organization to achieve continual improvement of its environmental performance, and it assures you and your company that it meets all applicable regulatory requirements. It is also helpful for you to communicate the company's commitment to environmental improvement. Now, what is environment? Any industry or company has a specific kind of environment. For example, the water near it, the air, the humans, the land, the plant, animals, and all the natural resources which are near to this company or industry, and all the points which are affected by the activities of this company is the environment of that specific company or industry. Now here is an example of environmental aspects and impacts. So if you are making an paper or printing a paper, you have to use electricity and toner for that, which are the aspects to make paper. You can print it or produce a plain paper or document. But its impact on the environment are huge, because when the paper is wasted or noise is produced by the production of that paper, this will affect all the key factors of the environment, and these are the effects or impacts of this aspect. Here are some details. For example, air pollution, water pollution, contamination of soil and groundwater, and use of natural resources are the aspects. And the emissions from transport or heating which cause air pollution are their impacts. Likewise, discharge of polluted water and sanitary waste are the impact of water pollution. Leakage from pipes are the impact caused by the contamination of soil and groundwater, and electricity use, natural gas use, or even general trash which is produced are the impacts of use of natural resources, which is the environmental aspect. Now, what is EMS or Environmental Management System? Environmental Management System includes Environmental Control Tool, PDCA cycle approach, which is plan, do, check, act, and easy integration with other standards. And the last point of EMS is to focus on continual improvement of any process in any industry or company. Now here are some myths of ISO 14001 which you may have. That it is only applicable for manufacturing units. No, it is applicable to any industry or any other organization, and it is applicable to any size of industry or organization. And it doesn't require if you are legally compliant, and it is not only for green organizations. You can follow it if you are not an green organization, because it is about creating environmental friendly products and environmental friendly management system. So if you want to follow environmental management guidelines in your organization, you can follow ISO 14001. It add values to your product, and it will also reduce your cost, and it can make you flexible and innovative at the same times. Now, what are the key to success points of ISO 14001? The first point, which is the main point, is to be honest with this certification. from your top management commitment to assigning your roles and responsibilities to your resources and participation at all levels of your workers. It is about honesty to this certification. You have to plan a structure and documentation of implementation plan. You have to correct your training, you have to aware your workers, you have to educate your workers, and you have to provide procedure and documentation for this course. And another main key factor of this ISO 14001 is the effective audit, in which you can highlight your problems and you will make effort to reduce that. Now, what are the benefits to your company if you are ISO 14001 certified? It helps you to improve your image and credibility, and also the image and credibility of your organization. It helps you to compliance with legal requirements. It helps you to improve your cost control, and it will also helps you to higher rate of success when implementing change. It helps you to be more efficient improvement of process, and it will also reduce in employee turnovers. This is all about some general information of ISO 14001. And now this is the point where you want to register yourself. So what are you waiting for? Here is the number you can contact, because we not only offer you the registration or Zoom trainings but also the exam sample discussion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like our video. If you have any question or you want to register yourself, please comment it down. Please share our video with your colleagues or friends, and you can contact on this number if you have any inquiry. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.